Let's talk about question number 1, bit C. So you have to draw the front view and top view of the 3 points which are given here as A, B and C. So the positions of point A, point B and point C are mentioned in the question. You just have to draw their front views and top views. Here in the question it is not mentioned whether you have to take any specific distance between the projectors of each point, but for our convenience we are going to take that distance. So I'm taking a single XY line here. This is the first projector for point A. From here I'm marking a distance of 40 mm. You can take any other distance you want. And I am taking again 40 mm here. The question does not specify this distance. Now, once you have drawn the projectors of A, B and C, you just have to draw its front view and top view. So A is mentioned 15 mm below HP. That means this will be the front view point of A, that is A dash here, and it is 20 mm behind, so it is going to be 20 mm above XY line here, and this will be the top view point of A. Then B is given in VP, so B will be having top view on XY line itself, and 20 mm above HP. So again from here you have to mark 20 mm, and this will be your front view point of B dash. Then for C, it is in HP, so here the front view point C dash will be on XY line and 25 mm in front, so it means it should be below XY line at a distance of 25. So this will be C, that is the top view point. Now you just have to give the dimensions. This is 25, this is 20, this is 20 and this is 15. So this is the solution.